Hey, good morning, everyone. Let's get straight to the breaking news. Harvey provoking an unfolding flooding disaster in America's fourth largest city, Houston, Texas.
We've been watching for days now these pictures of people that have little choice but to wade through it and climbing into boats.
When I opened the door, more water rushed in, and all of my stuff flew out, and it just kept coming in.
I had to save a guy's life right here. He was hanging onto a telephone pole.
There's this sense of sadness that they have left behind, some of them, homes that they fear will not be there when they get back.
So we are in the midst of Hurricane Harvey. It actually doesn't look like a hurricane right now. It's pretty calm right now. As of right now, we are on the outer band of it, so there's not a lot going on around us, but it is sure to pick up. Currently day 4 of this fiasco, this Hurricane Harvey. We're gonna go check out some more houses and some more flooding. I think this is day 4, day 5 of the Hurricane Harvey. It's pouring down rain. It's just sitting on top of us, and it's just dumping water and water and more rain and more water on top of us. So we've been stuck inside this whole time. There's not much we can do. We're just sitting here waiting for the rain to come down, and it's coming down even. Look at this, dude. This is crazy. This is absolute craziness. Me and Garrett are gonna go check out the weather, which is in Bridge City, and all the flooding that's happening in his truck. I think it's gonna be a pretty bad, but the rain is pounding us right now, and no signs of letting up.
Yeah, because they're like overflowing.
Water, it usually never gets past this side of the road. That's crazy, man. Dang, dude.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Where the trees are between the highway. Okay, out here.
Take a picture.
The Little League Park.
That's Keith and Missyville. So this is like one of the main roads in Bridge City. It's like 1442, and the water is pouring over it right now. People, as you can see, you're still getting sandbags over here. There's big piles of sand for sandbags, but at this point, the sandbags, unless you're barely getting water in your house, I don't think it's really gonna help. But it's just getting worse and worse, and we don't know what to do. Can't really see. You still got like a foot until it comes over that little thing. So probably another foot and it'll be coming over. All right, so right now I'm driving the roads. It's like 10:50 at night. The hurricane is almost to us. The hurricane won't be here till 7 a.m. But flooding is very bad right now. My friend's grandma, her house is flooded, and she slipped in her house, and they think she broke her knee, so I'm gonna go see her. Hopefully she's okay. It's getting pretty scary, guys, not gonna lie. It's getting pretty dangerous. I'll update y'all here in a bit. No, ma'am.
You better not. I don't like my picture.
That's crazy, just sitting in here
You
with
should have filmed him walking.
2 inches of water. That's crazy,
Our
Grandma.
backyard is
10:56 in the morning, power went out. What time did our power go out, Mom? Power went out at 6:30 this morning. The electric company says that it will not be on probably for a long time, but the flooding, all the rain is done, the hurricane has gone over us, and so now everything's just flooded and we're waiting for everything to go back to normal. The flooding is ridiculous though. All right, remember yesterday, we were talking about if it rises another foot, it'll go over the bridge a foot until it comes over that little thing. It did go over the bridge last night after that. There's not much we can do. We can only go places that we can get in a vehicle. We don't have a boat, anything. Can't put a boat in and go save people. We can't do anything like that. So we're stuck kind of helpless, just driving around, no power, no nothing. But we're going through this water again, and this is just absolutely ridiculous. It goes all the way out to the houses. Y'all have already seen this, but I'm just showing it to y'all again. It's just pretty bad.
We're stuck here for another day.
There's so much water over here, people are launching boats out of it. It's a boat launch. It's 5 feet deep in the highway. Yo, our power is back on after like 5 hours. No, long time. Guys, so the water's gone down. It's finally starting to recede. Bad news though, they opened the dams and water is coming, more flooding is coming. But everybody in this town is trying to fill up on gas, so the gas stations are filled with people and everybody's buying everything. There's no places to eat. Everybody's stocking up or evacuating because the flood from the lakes and the rivers are overflowing into our cities. This was all underwater yesterday. It's all gone. There's no more water on the streets. As you can see, everybody in our town is evacuating. Everybody's leaving the town because the flooding is supposed to be so bad. I'm staying here. So I came to see my friend's grandma the other night and it's still a lake at their house, man. It's still flooded all of these houses back here. It's just ridiculous.